Welcome to English in 5 minutes. In this video we will be learning how to use three prepositions in, on and at. These prepositions are used with both time and place. In order to learn the use of these prepositions easily, we need to follow the rule general to specific. In is used with the most general time and place, while on is used with more specific time and place. However, the preposition at is used with the most specific time and place. First, we will discuss prepositions of time. In. We use this preposition with longer periods of time such as months, years, centuries or seasons. For instance, in January, in 2015, in winter holidays, in the 18th century, and in fall. This preposition is also used when talking about parts of the day, like in the morning and in the afternoon. However, when we are talking about both day and a time of the day, then we use on, such as on Tuesday afternoon. There is also an exception. With night we use at night. The preposition on is used for more specific time, when we are talking about a single day or a date or even a holiday, but we have the word day with it. For instance, on 21st June, on Christmas Day, and on Friday. This preposition can also mean just after. For instance, in the sentence, the minister talked to the press on his arrival at the airport. The word on means after. The preposition at is used with the most specific time. If we talk about a clock time or a meal time, we use at. For instance, at 7 o'clock, at lunchtime, or at that moment. We also use the preposition at with holidays when we do not say the word day with them. For instance, at Christmas and at the weekend. In the USA, however, at is not used with weekend and instead the preposition on is used. Let's talk about the prepositions of place. In is used when we are talking about the most general places, such as countries or towns, in the UK, in Egypt, or in London. When we are talking about a building and we mean inside a building, then we use in. For instance, the phrase in the office means that a person is inside the building of an office. In is a three-dimensional preposition, and when we are talking about something that is all around something else, we use this preposition. For instance, we can say in my pocket, in the room, in the box, and in the kettle. On is used for more specific places. When we are talking about more specific places like streets, we use the preposition on. For instance, on the Downing Street in London and on the 5th Avenue in Washington, D.C. On is also used when we are talking about a line and where a certain place lies. For example, London is on the Thames, or my house is on the main road. The preposition at is used for the most specific place. For specific locations, we use the word at the red light, or at the left corner, or at the door. And for exact addresses and a person's house, we also use at 10 Downing Street, at Mark's apartment. With an event as well, we use the preposition at my birthday party, at the concert. So, this is the rule of remembering the use of in, on, and at with both time and place. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.